हमने जो कानून में बदलाव किए हैं अभी, ये तो पिछले कानून में हो गया। अभी जो भी इस तरह के एक्शन हो जाएगी तो उस पर कानून बड़ा तगड़ा कानून किया है, उसे फांसी ही दिए जाएगी।
That remark by the Home Minister on Tuesday has ruffled the feathers of the defence team in the Delhi gang rape case. So much so, they moved an application in court saying the comments should be treated as contempt of court. That set the tone for the arguments that lasted over 3 hours on what would be a fitting punishment for the 4 men. The prosecution demanded the death penalty for the men, saying they killed a helpless girl. They showed no mercy even when she begged for it. There should be no mercy for merciless convicts. While the prosecution only took a few minutes to make their case, the defense lawyers argued at great length, citing factors like the need for reform, the convict's poor background, old parents, and in another case, a wife and a 2-year-old child. The defense then argued the Batla House encounter convict got a life sentence. He was let off due to vote bank politics. Why was that terrorist not given death while it's being considered for these men? Outside the court, the defense lawyer even attacked the judiciary.
In Indian judicial system, it is a very clear point that if a person have money power, if a person have muscle power, if a person have manpower, then he will success in court proceeding, etc., etc., criminal proceeding, court proceeding, manipulation of police, manipulation of judicial system, etc., etc.
Inside the court, they sat through 3 hours long proceedings, but they came out saying they were appalled by the defense argument.
जहाँ तक फैमिली का सवाल है, तो फैमिली जब पीछे तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि हमारी फैमिली है, तो हम ऐसा काम कर क्यों रहे हैं? तो ये लोग महात्मा गांधी को परतोख देते हैं और अपने क्राइम वाला काम करते हैं।
Another 2 days and we'll finally know the fate of these 4 men convicted in one of the most brutal and horrifying cases of rape and murder in recent memory. All eyes will now be on the trial court, which will decide on Friday whether for these men it'll be life or death. In New Delhi with Sonal Mehrotra, Neha Khanna for NDTV.